this is the video which will help you to create new project in Keel Microvision 3. First, double click on Keel Microvision 3 shortcut icon like this. The new project will open. Now click on project, new project, then go to desktop, then create a new folder here, my first project, give it a name, then open this folder by double clicking and write down the file name here, my first project, and then save it. After that it will ask you for the microcontroller you are using. Go to Atmail here, click on this plus sign, then scroll down and find out our microcontroller. It is 8089S51. Click OK. It will ask you to copy standard 8051 startup code. Say no to it. Now click on target, go to project, then options, and here write down our crystal frequency 16 megahertz. Then click on output, create hex file, check it, and then click OK. Now create new file, then save it, give it a name, say main code.c, save it. Now click on source group 1, right click on source group 1, then click on option add files, select this main code.c file, click on add and then close. Now our file is ready for the coding. Now you can write any type of code over here. For demonstration, I am pasting one code for 8051 as black line following robot. This is the code. With this code, you will be able to control your advanced 8051 based robot as black line following robot. Thank you.